Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.3 question number 3 part first. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables. Because you can ask question to me, what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables? It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication methods. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution methods. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget like, subscribe and share. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. See the pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.3. Question number 3. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. By substitution methods. First, the difference between two numbers is 26. The difference between two numbers is 26. Clear? And one number is 3 times the other number. One number is 3 times the other number. Find them. It means you find numbers. First number and second number. You solve given equations, given questions and find the value of first number and value of second number by the substitution method. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. According to question, let first number equal to x and second number equal to y. First number is x and second number is y. Here x is greater than y. X is greater than y. It is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. According to question, here the difference between two numbers is 26. Difference between two numbers is 26. It means x minus y equal to 26. It is equation first. It is equation first. And one number is 3 times the other number. One number is 3 times the other number. X equal to 3 multiply y, or x equal to 3y. X equal to 3y. It is equation second. It is equation first and it is equation second. It is equal according to first situation. It is according to second situation. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Substitute. Substituting x equal to 3y in equation first. Substituting x equal to 3y in equation first. Clear? Equation first is x minus y equal to 26. X minus y equal to 26. It is equation first. Here you can write 3y minus y equal to 26. 2y equal to 26. Y equal to 26 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 13 ja. Y equal to 30. You find y equal to 30. Here you put the value of x is 3y. Clear? 3y minus y equal to 26. You subtract it, you find 2y. 2y equal to 26, y equal to 26 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 13 ja 26. You find y equal to 30. Clear? Now you put y equal to 13 in equation second. Equation second. Clear? Equation second is x equal to 3y. It is equation second. Here x equal to 3 multiply 30. X equal to 39. 13 3 ja 30. You find the value of x equal to 39 and value of y equal to 30. Clear? Hence find them. Hence first number is x equal to 39 and second number y equal to 30. Second number y equal to 30. It is clear? No confusion about it. Solution is clear? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. It is easy? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.